Hi, Nora. This is Mindy Wheat. I'm going to be talking to you about your usage on Lexia, and I just want to say that I am seeing some good things. There are a few weeks on here, back here in August, where you were using it more than expected. That's why we have some green bars. In December 11th, that week, you used it for 62 minutes, which is more. And on January 1st, that week, you used it way more than you were supposed to. So that was really good. Maybe a little too much, but that's totally fine. Last week, you only used it for 3 minutes on January 29th, the week starting January 29th. But I did notice that this week you have used it a lot. So I'm really proud of you. So keep it up. I noticed on February 27th you used it for 30 minutes. The best way to do it is use it a little bit for multiple days, and that way you can get to your goal of 45 minutes or even just 60 minutes a week. So whatever you can do, just get a little bit in. That's great. Thanks.